my name is Jamie and today I will talk about role models. In our society, there are many people around us. Some are famous and some makes us happy. Often, children want to be like these people. It is called role model. In my case, I will pick doctor as my role model. I have two reasons to support my opinion. First, doctors make people happy by helping people feel better and by getting rid of their pain, like cold, headache, stomach ache, stuff like that. Doctors can identify easily. Once I went to hospital because I had a cold. My doctor figured it out so easily. I was very surprised. Actually, I know the symptom was cold because of the doctor. How can they know that? Second, doctors are geniuses. I heard when we want to go to medical school, we always have to be first in class. It's very hard because there are a lot of intelligent people in one school. So, going to medical school is a great thing. When I was young, I didn't think of what I have to do. In conclusion, my role model is doctor because of these reasons. Thank you for listening to my presentation.